Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Steve from Perfect Tux, along with Natasha.
Hello.
And we're here to show you how easy it is to measure yourself at home. All you need is a tape measure like this, and that's it. That's all you need. One thing we do want to say is that you do not wear baggy clothes when you take your measurements. Either have a real, slim shirt like me, or just, take it off, do what you got to do, but you really want to no baggy clothes, okay? So we're going to take three types of measurements. We need our chest measurement, that'll give us our jacket size. We need our waist measurement, that'll give us our pant size. And then we need our shirt measurement, that will give us our shirt size, I guess. First, let's start off with the chest. The important thing to do here is that you want to come under the arms and you want to go right across your chest, like right across it.
All right, and so we have 40 inches here.
All right, so pretty much a 40-inch chest, I will order a 40 jacket. With a lot of jackets, you'll also see short, regular, long. The only thing that means is it's based on your height. If you're 5'7" and under, a short. 5'7" and a 6 foot, a regular. 6 foot and up, get a long, okay? Next measurement, let's do the waist. So you're going about an inch below the belly button here, and you kind of want to get a little tighter on this measurement because you tend to get a little bigger, but we'll see where we're at.
All right, we have 34 inches.
34, that's actually my size, so that's some good measuring. So in the last measurement, we're going to talk about shirts. Now with the shirt size, you're going to need two different measurements. You're going to need your neck measurement and your sleeve length, okay? So let's start with the neck.
All right, so for the neck, I'm going to put the measuring tape around the neck. I don't want it to be too tight. I want to leave enough room where 1 or 2 fingers can get in here. So right now we have 16 inches, and that's with my finger inside the tape.
Then the next measurement?
So the next measurement, I'm going to need the length of his arm. So to get that, I'm going to start in the middle of his neck, in the back of his neck. I'm going to go over the arm, to the elbow, and then to the break of the wrist. And that comes at about 35 inches.
See how easy that was? That's how quickly you can measure yourself at home, okay? If you have any questions, feel free. Message us at Perfect Tux.